Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. This is where we discuss ceiling fan history, trivia, and technical information. Today we're going to talk about Quoizel. I've heard other people pronounce it Quoizel, and so I had to look up the correct pronunciation, and it appears to be Quoizel. As you probably know, they are a rather famous lighting company, and that's what they are known for many, many decades. But they had a short run of ceiling fans in the 80s that fan collectors are often interested in. So first, let's get some basics on Quoizel, the lighting company. They were founded in 1930 in Manhattan, New York, by Michael Chaikin, who worked out of a very, very small shop, building lamps and things by hand. The name is an astrological phrase that represents the conjunction of multiple planets. In other words, the planets aligned and allowed him to start a company. They primarily made hurricane lamps, or really just him. It was initially a one-man show. That's 1930. In 1964, they moved to Long Island, New York. They were considered to be one of the best hurricane lamp manufacturers in the world, not just the US, but they still, 30 years later, only had 4 employees. In 1964, someone named Ira Phillips joins as a salesman. He claims that if Chaikin makes him director, he can triple sales. And that turned out to be true, because by 1985, the company's revenue exceeded $500,000 for the first time in their history. In 1986, Michael Chaikin passes away. Ira Phillips buys out his son Lou for his stake in the company. In 1990, they expand to include mirrors and artwork. By this point, they now have over 200 employees. And in 1996, they relocate to South Carolina, where they are still today and still considered to be one of the best manufacturers of lamps and lighting in the world. So let's talk about their fans. 1980, Todd Phillips, Ira's son, patented what I believe to be the first lighted housing fan. The glass housing with the light bulbs inside the housing. It was patented in 1980, which is the earliest one I can find. The patents do not show anything about the fan other than that it's a glass housing with a top and bottom plate. It doesn't show what kind of vents or anything like that. It does show the glass inserts in the blades. They patented that as well. That was, again, that's the first lighted housing fan that I'm aware of. ERS patented theirs in 1981. So, and then a bunch of import ones came later. As far as again, if anybody wants to correct me, please post it in the comments. But they don't sell any fans in 1980, at least not that I can find. They filed the patent first and then start selling fans. In 1981, what shows up as Quoizel ceiling fans are relabeled Ritz Tangiers fans with the glass blades that are in the patent and special OEM Quoizel light kits. Also offered is the Fandelier, which is the patented lighted housing fan. What's pictured in the ads from 1981 is different than the patent, and it's different than the Quoizels that I'm used to, like the one in the museum. It's a G-Event glass housing K55 type fan. It looks like a Casablanca Zephyr, but with a glass housing. And I've never seen that, but that's what's pictured in the ads in 1981. They also offer what looks like a Moss Heirloom with glass blades, so an import G-Event fan without the glass sideband, with the filigree sideband, but with glass blades. So they were selling, you could get a plain version, the Ritz Tangiers version, a filigree sideband version, the Moss Heirloom version, both with glass blades and a Quoizel light kit. You could also get a Fandelier, which is the patented version. But again, the one that's shown in the 81 ads has GE vents in a different motor housing shape, different canopy shape. It looks very much like a Casablanca Zephyr, except with the glass housing and glass blades. And I've never seen one of those. So I'd be curious, is that just a mock-up that was used for advertising? Or catalog pictures or whatnot, and did they never actually sell that, or are some of those out there? I'd love to find one. So, in 1982, now the pictures of the Fandelier show the version that we're familiar with the kind of different size ovals and circle vents, kind of similar to American Industries vents. The version that's in the museum, for example. That's the Fandelier 1982. They still offer the Ritz Tangiers version. By the way, there's no mention of Ritz or Tangiers. I'm just calling it that. And I don't know if they get it from Ritz or if they're going straight to Chow Electric Company and getting it. But they're still selling that. in 82. Also in 82, they introduced the other Quoizel fans that we're used to. They introduced a 52-inch hugger, which at the moment doesn't have the glass housing yet. It's just a, filigree sideband K55 hugger. 38-inch hugger, 38-inch downrod fan. And all of them have the option for either plain blades, glass blades with like a line outline. You guys have seen that version. Or different floral options. I know the blue floral option is called the Abigail Adams, but none of the ads say anything about what floral options. They just say you can get floral options. 83 to 85, they're just selling the US-made fans. The huggers, the different sizes, lighted housings, all the different options that we're familiar with under the Quoizel name. By the way, one of the things that I've never seen that they did offer is a 38-inch 6-blade fan with nothing glass. Plain blades, played sideband, not the hugger version, downrod version. You guys know it's in my mom's bedroom. I have the 38-inch version, downrod version with glass blades, but I've never seen one with played blades. But obviously you could get it. You could get plain blades on any fan. So that's 83 to 85. They no longer have the imports. They just have the US-made ones. 86 is when I assume they stopped making them, because there are very, very few ads for them in 86. In 87, there's 1 or 2 mentions of them as a clearance and closeout item. And after 87, no more Quoizel ceiling fans. So, that's what we know about Quoizel ceiling fans. Honestly, I think that probably is most of what there is to know. If I find out more, of course, you guys know I will do an update video. In the meantime, please like, comment, subscribe, ring bells, notification bells, other bells. If there's a bell, ring it. As always, this video has a sponsor, and that sponsor is Fanstick. Buy Fanstick.